Yeah, 7 more minutes. I think the entry is coming. What is our like situation here? Only 7K? Guys, you still didn't break your finger and screen. I mean, 1 hour and 4 hour, all crazy. Yeah. Yeah. No, that was a, I would say, definable trade if you take that daily flip, because this current daily push up creates some top wick, and looking at this previous daily with the big rejection, and on the flip of that, looking for this wick fill in towards to a downside. Yes, it's a reasonable trade. I wouldn't say that's a bad trade. That's a good trade. But the issue with the hourly right now, which have literally no top wick. Mm. Yeah, we need to wait for the closure below for taking the cells. But if you didn't snooze and you didn't lose, then enjoy your profits, whatever you already make. You don't have to get back and forth. Nice daily flip, yeah. But you also take on the daily flip, or you just take randomly. No, I am not random. I took on the hourly flip with the volume. Okay, monitor for the 4 hour. Okay, hourly flip for the volume. If you said daily flip or 4 hour flip, that makes sense. Hourly flip, I don't see it. Well, tomorrow is a big day, guys. Tomorrow is NFP. Okay, so we can expect a lot of firework in New York session. Yes, the hour open green and then flip hard on at the start. Okay, all right. Who else in the trade right now? In these cells? 3 more minutes. This is about to give a closure. Me, okay. So Nico, okay. Read is in. I was too late. Yeah. Snooze, you lose. Mark, hello. Hello, Mark. Hello, Mark. Mark, hello. How are you? I'm good, Mark. How are you? I missed you. I miss you too, Mark. Where is Kitty? Where is Kitty? Hmm, is she here? I don't see her. Ari, do you know where she is? Bestie, bestie. How are you, sir? I'm good. How are you, Mr. Abu Sadiq bin Idris? Such a short name, though. Tomorrowland. Okay, hourly is about to close in 2 minutes. Wait for the topic and then boom. Clean range on the left. A nice easy draw. By the way, we took this bias. Let me remove this so it did not make you confused. Yeah, this stop's going to be big. So what you can do here, once this give a closure, the next one gonna go upgrade, gonna create some topic, and then on the flip of that, you can look for some sell size incoming. Okay, looking at this daily rejecting from app zone, this at least go for this big fill, which is around 4 to 80. So that's still like 100 ticks on the way. Okay, so this trade, I don't think it's going to be too bad if you want to take it. Okay, now the hourly is pushing up. Wait for the flip now. Wait for that flip. Gonna place the stops at current hourly. Let's see how far it will go up, and then we're gonna get into some sell entries. Okay, so hold your horses till until then. Yeah, wait for the flip, guys. I'm also waiting for the flip. Once it flips, tap tap. Hey, Kitty, where were you? Everybody was missing you here. Everybody was asking, "Where's Kitty? Where's Kitty? Where's Kitty?" I was like, "Relax, guys, relax. She's here. She's here. She'll become." These people are crazy. Kitty. About you, they're crazy. Please clear your screen. No, I will not. If you wanna watch it, you have to watch it like this. Otherwise, you can go somewhere else. Okay? Meow. You're late. You're late. Even after the live, you're late. I have witness here. I have Dinah. I have Ari. Your friends. They're witness. Not 44, maybe. I I I I I told everyone in the morning I have some doctor's appointment today. So okay, okay. I'm out because I wanna wear this red cap. So yellow and red, you know. What what breed you have? Is it cockatiel? Parakeet. Like the small one, right? The I wonder how they taste. Nothing, nothing. No, I just said yeah, it's so sad, kid. It's so sad. Spark, why don't you join the call and you said it? He's like, I will say it. I will say it. He said it. I said, what, Ari? Come on, guys. Come on. You're on your own with that call. No, Spark. Now you have to join the call and say it yourself. You're the one who said it. Is gold current price 4299? Yes, you're probably on the gold spot XAUST. We are trading here gold futures. That's MGC. That's why I write here MGC. You see here. $30 fee. Top step, they increase their payout fee if you get direct to the ACH. Mm, that's not good. Mhm. Not yet. Not yet. Daily is getting dodgy. So if it starts breaking above this 4305, then yes, we can say that. But right now, no. That's why we need to wait for the flip. Mr. Mo8834. Why don't you come on the come on the call and please tell us why you think it's fake? Because we're waiting for the setup anyways. So let's have some chit chat. You wanna do that? Fake live. He's saying fake but live. How you can relate both two things? I see FVG. Okay. FVG is coming. Let's see. You still here or you run away, Mr. Mo? Come on. Let me give you some Moo. A medicine for you. I have special medicine for you guys, you know? No response. See, that's it. And nice bus. All right, 15 close back in the range. Let's see how this 15 goes. And we need to think how we can make this live fake as well. Because now if this hourly flip full pot sells, absolutely. Yeah, yeah, you can pass in 20 takes. Yeah. That's the New York session song. Yeah, that's the Matrix. Maybe, maybe. Yeah. Hmm. Okay, if this candle flip, gold drop, we're gonna do the giveaway today. Yes, Parth. If it's close back in the range and starts ranging and then pushing up and all that, then no giveaway. How about that? Deal? All right. Because then it's going to be two victories. One is we're going to get into some cells, the price, we're going to take some cells, and the other victory is going to be. Why are you laughing? Yeah. Don't worry, Spark. Today we try to do something, some mm, some special treatment. Yeah, we make sure Kitty not win the match. But only if the price drop from here. If it starts pushing up or ranging, now it's up to gold. Mhm. Yeah, daily 4 hour, all those flips and start try to break those highs. Let's see. One closure above the zone, the cells are not valid. Okay. If the price starts rejecting from here, then yeah, cells are still valid. So all we need to do is just little wait. Because tomorrow we have NFP and more fun during NFP. Yeah, if it flipped, full board sell. Patience is virtue, yes. Shep, is this your first time here? I never seen you here. Or you're coming here for a while now? 4 hour closure is also coming in 36 minutes. Okay. Now the daily starts flipping, 4 hour pushing down, give a closure below, 1 hour even gives a closure below. Most likely we can see some nice drop. Hello, hello. Hey, Andre, where have you been, buddy? Hey, young man, what's up? Okay, price is now trying to push down. Let's see. All you have to do is just wait, guys. Wait for the market to give you the move. Instead of keep running behind it, oh, let me get in, buy, sell, oh, it's in the, oh, let me do this, but no. Just sit, relax. You have this plan in your mind. Okay, once this hourly flip, once the price starts pushing down, give you a nice closure below 4292, you're gonna take sales. That's it. That's how simple it is. But to that thing happen, all you have to do, just wait. That's it. Just observe the market. Hmm. Yes. Hmm. Like this you're talking about? Hmm. Right now it's hourly. Yes. Daily. No, previous daily. Kind of, yes. For this session at least. We don't know about the New York session yet because that's going to happen after NFP for sure. So until then, we can expect some sells. Plus, sells are more favorable for us. Why? Because we have the clean range on the left side. And you know, whenever we have the clean range on the left, clean range on the right. The buys are only valid if it gives a closure above this 4310s, because at that point it's going to break the dailies and 4 hour and all these high time frames highs, the session highs, the daily highs. More likely, yes, then it will maybe slowly starts pushing it up. But if the price is still respecting that zone, staying back in this range and then breaking these lows, most likely I would say there are 70% chance that the price can drop, then getting into the buys. Yeah. 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 Yeah, no worries, man, no worries. So you were saying something to Kitty in the chat. I don't know, you were saying something. You were making fun. Listen, she never heard from me. That was you guys. That's a very sensitive point. No, Kitty, I agree with you. uh, you will. You will. Yeah. 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 But the other thing, what also can happen, the range, because of tomorrow, it can range too. Yeah, Kitty, tomorrow is only going to be fun if we able to get the one-sided news. Then yes, I would say it's going to be a fun day. But if it's mixed, then we need to be very careful tomorrow. So, Kitty, where is that guy or girl you were talking about who wants to know about the futures? I think she was your friend, or absolutely, absolutely. Yeah. Kitty, you're such a hype. You're such a hype. Let's go. Hmm. Yeah. And and the bigger the difference is between forecast and what actual numbers are, the bigger the moves you. Yeah, people who are in the VIP, guys, chat, please write how many pips we catch every single morning. Birkins. No, no, no free sauce. No, you can talk about it. I was talking about me. Like I'm not gonna tell anything now. If anybody interested, they can learn, be a part of that. You can carry on. I'm enjoying your conversation. Mm, mhm. Mhm. Breaking, why don't you hop on the call, man? It's been a long time since we're here.
Hey, what's up, guys? How you doing, guys?
It looks like it's gonna close above. Uh, yeah, let's see. Let's wait. Yeah, hourly. Yeah, 14 more minutes. Mm. You miss me? Yeah, miss you, man. Okay, price literally push up what, like around 200 ticks from low to highs. Yeah, 12 more minutes. This, let's see how this gives a closure. Oh, oh, oh. 30 close. Doji, you mean it pushed back in the range? And then yes, then again the cells are valid. Same thing. You can either take on the next 30 flip or wait for, you know. Yeah, the buys are only valid if it starts like giving closure above this 4312 zone. Above that, then yes, we then after that we can think about the buys. But if it comes back close in the range and all that below that zone, then the sells are still valid. Yeah, most likely. Hmm. Hmm. For 4 hour closure is also coming. So this 4 hour might do something like this. So you see price drop, this 4 hour close kinda doji, and the next it also starts closing. So if this 4 hour give a close here, the next we can expect maybe down during the London session maybe. So hourly and 4 hour closure is coming. So let's see. Yeah, if you're looking at 30, I would say look at the hourly and 4 hour as well, because yeah, they all these time frames gonna close at the same time. Yeah, 15 is if this 15 gives a closure below, meanwhile this 30 is gonna close doji, hourly is gonna close back in this range, and 4 hour might also give a closure doji, I would say. Let's see. Habibi. What song? Hmm. Oh, 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 oh. Mm, 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 mm. You literally share, bro. No, it wasn't me. It was my little brother who was doing the live. Now I'm back. I just got back today. Past few days, you probably seeing him. It wasn't me. Okay. So now here there are two possibilities now. Number one, don't take a trade at all. Wait for NFP. Number two, in 2 minutes, this 4 hour is about to give a closure about this. So what you can do here, still sit tight, wait for the next candle, gonna create some lower wick, and then you can get into some buys from there. If you take some buys from there, you still have 100, almost 150 to 200 ticks to catch towards upside. 30 seconds more, let's see. Okay. It gives a closure above, but you need to see here if the volume is still here for the price to keep continue pushing it up, more likely. Okay, let it create some lower wick, and then we're probably gonna wait for some maybe buys. Let's see. No lower wick, no buys for me. So the same thing what we were waiting for, taking the cells, right? And it didn't flip and we didn't take it. The same thing we can do here. Let it come down. If it starts pushing down and give a closure back in the range, then there's no more trade. If it comes down, touch the zone 4314 and little bit, let's say push a little further down towards 4310 and then starts flipping, that's going to be the good buys. Not yet for me. If you want to take it, it's up to you. And if the volume starts drying up, in let's say this 15 and 30 starts closing doji and it starts ranging here, something like that, I would probably gonna call it a night. Okay, because you need to save your energy for the NFP tomorrow, big day. Okay, better, yeah. You're taking the buys here, it's not a wise decision. If there is huge volume coming in, then yes, we sometimes we do get into those impulse entries for taking those buys because we know there's so much high volume in coming here that it's gonna keep continue pushing it up without giving this lower wick, and then we're gonna see the price keep continue push. At that time, yes, you can take that without lower wick, but right now the way market pushing, it's slow, it's dull. Already it push up around, I would say, like 200 ticks or more, so it's better to wait. If it didn't give me what I'm looking for, I'm just not gonna take it. Simple. Market is going nowhere, guys, so relax. It's still better than blowing the accounts. Mhm. Yeah, there the volume is it's low. Mhm. Or YouTube, I'm gonna close you guys. Okay.